using hexagonal bricks combined with lights to create an impressive sphere. Automatic systems make it easy to lift and pick up traffic cones. Creating a flat and even hell for seating. Box Eater carries 20 large boxes at a maximum speed of 20 km per hour. The round table moves smoothly to prevent the ball from falling off. The automatic harvester binds rice into bundles. These wraps are neatly lined up with this tool. The tea leaf drying process achieves better productivity with an automatic roasting machine. This isn't just a way to melt butter but also a method to help anyone who listens unwind. The contentment this guy brings can truly inspire everyone to start their workday. The bush proudly sports a tidy mossy green hairstyle to match the cool autumn weather. The construction expert found a way to rejuvenate the old floor instead of removing the tiles. The young lady is willing to serve the viewers who stay till the end of this video. Your gaze has to constantly shift to keep up with the pace of these two farmers' work. Dropping such a concrete block created an earthquake. I can precisely count that this guy set up 151 domino shots. This sorting machine helps eliminate some standard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of onions has the correct weight and quantity. Expectation. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity but also ensures high quality of the final product. We're delighted you could join us on this adventure into the realm of food technology. Let us know your thoughts by liking and commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time.